Hi there and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Rochelle. If you are new here or if you have not done it already, please make sure you click on that subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be sharing just a little bit of my nighttime routine featuring Auraglow. If you're not familiar with Auraglow, they offer a complete LED whitening kit. It is professional grade and you can see whitening results in only 30 minutes. So it does come with some instructions if you prefer, kind of hands-on. It shows you how to charge, how to prep your teeth, how to prepare the tray, and spend 30 minutes, just kind of doing what you wanted to do. Today I decided to do some homework right before I ended my 30-minute session and rinsed my tray and put it back in my case. This is the charger that it comes with. Pretty self-explanatory. The cord is designed specifically for that, so it's not like you can use maybe an Apple charger and an Android charger. These are kind of like the magnetic clips for where you would typically charge your whitening device. It does come with 2 tubes of the whitening gel, and I think you get up to 20 uses, so I'm gonna try and do it like every week and just kind of test it over time. This is my second time using it and I've already seen results. So here you have the whitening device in this little carrying case. It is so cute, so convenient. You just turn the light on to kind of get it going. Y'all know I always hook y'all up with links. I got a code for y'all also this time. It's going to be Brianna15, and check out the link in the description box below for this exact kit. They have whitening strips, toothpaste, all sorts of things, so while you're there, go ahead and check it out. But let's just go ahead and get into this updated nighttime routine. I've been digging this new Chris Brown album, so perfect for this shower time nighttime routine. I really like a hot steamy shower to start with, just to kind of get my body relaxed. Go ahead and put on my exfoliating gloves. I love these things, y'all. You can get them at Target, Walmart, wherever. This is the Naturium multivitamin daily body wash, and I'm going to put a few pumps of that onto my exfoliating gloves and go in as I lather up my legs and also the rest of my body. It really got steamy in there, y'all, so I could not record anymore. So I get out and then I dry my skin, and I shared with you guys how much I'm loving like Skin Fix. This thing is exceptional, okay? If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above for you to check it out. So go ahead and rub that in all over my body, on my arms, also on my legs, because don't nobody want to be ashy, okay? It is not the time for that. Next, I go ahead and put my robe on, because who doesn't love a good robe? Y'all, I've really been loving Tula skincare lately. This cult classic face wash is amazing. In the summertime, I tend to sweat, of course, more, and my skin is more prone to like dirt buildup. Not saying that I'm dirty, so don't come for me in the comments. It's just, it's 105 degrees daily, so I want to take better care of my skin. So this is a little stronger than my Youth of the People. Now I'm going in with the Dr. Dennis Gross, the 2-step wipes, exfoliating first and then the aging wipe second. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe the face and down onto the neck with those. And then I'm going to use a spoolie to just like brush my lashes out, because they were just a little clumped together. This is the Brightening Vitamin C Drops, my salicylic acid serum. And I'm trying to integrate serums, so y'all tell me how y'all feel about serums in the comments. Then I'm going in with my Tula moisturizer. This is a water-based moisturizer, just kind of keeping me hydrated throughout the night. The consistency of this is extremely amazing, y'all. Tula's giving Youth to the People a run, okay? So now I'm gonna go and brush my teeth. I'm using the Sensodyne toothpaste because there's been some sensitivities. No, your girl do not have cavities. I just needed something that was a little bit sensitive to my teeth. And then I'm going in with my Auraglow LED kit. Again, I shared with you guys all of the components of that. I'll also leave the link down below. Don't forget to use my code. Here's the instructions manual. And then I'm going to go in with my whitening serum onto the device so I can get the process started. Honestly, y'all, like, this is my second time using it, and again, like, I've been so hard on my teeth with red wine. Like, this is definitely a lifesaver when it comes to maintaining the perfect smile. So I'm gonna apply the gel to the tray and kind of get that ready to go in my mouth for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna step away and do some homework. I didn't record it because I didn't think y'all wanted to see me crying. Don't worry, y'all, I am almost finished, okay? So turn the light on. It's really simple, and you just put it in your mouth and you do what you want to do for 30 minutes. So you can do errands around the house. I wouldn't recommend going outside though. So once you're finished, go ahead and take that out, rinse your tray. And I personally put it back inside of the carrying case. Like, again, I think everything is just so cute, so nicely packaged. Auraglow, you get a 10 out of 10 for this one, because baby, this is my new go-to. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some fragrance. I chose Kerbatant by Louis Vuitton. It's really light. I think this is perfect for a good summer evening, especially when you're just about to get into bed and cozy up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.